Hi there. Let me show you how Databricks changes data engineering by giving you everything you need in one AI-infused intelligent platform. Under one governance layer, the data intelligence platform handles it all. Streaming, ingestion, transformation, and orchestration at a fraction of the typical development time and on top of serverless compute. As you might know, any new project starts with data ingestion. Ingesting data from sources such as cloud storage, message buses, databases, or ERMs only takes minutes. Lakeflow Connect seamlessly and continuously imports your data from popular business applications such as Salesforce, Workday, and Google Analytics. With Lakeflow Connect, it just takes a few clicks and your data appears as fully synchronized tables in your catalog, ready to be used across your organization. And of course, there are other options too, like getting data sets or even ML models from Databricks Marketplace and partners. After ingesting it, our data is now available and governed by Unity Catalog. So we can start transforming the raw data and extracting meaningful information. In the past, this required writing complex Python code and applying hard-to-understand optimization techniques. But now we have the data intelligence platform, which is infused with AI that understands your interactions with the data, its metadata, and your code. Databricks Assistant saves your team tons of development time and keeps everyone following best practices. Here, I created a single materialized view that automatically maintains fresh, pre-computed data, making it ideal for dashboards. With Delta Live tables, you scale these transformations into robust production-grade pipelines written in simple SQL or Python. Let's look at a Delta Live tables pipeline in action. Here, in the pipeline view, you can see multiple tables and transformation steps. It provides a clear visualization of your data flow. Also, data reliability is guaranteed by continuous data quality monitoring and status tracking in real time. Best of all, your pipeline adapts to your needs. You can easily switch between batch and streaming to match the pace of your business. Well, you have now seen how Databricks streamlines individual tasks, but these steps are often only building blocks of a larger workflow. This is where Databricks Workflows comes in, a fully serverless orchestration engine that orchestrates everything in the Lakehouse and seamlessly coordinates all the required steps, such as triggering data ingestion or transformation pipelines, orchestrating ML model updates, or automating dashboard refreshes for a business team. To summarize, think of the data intelligence platform as your one-stop platform for data engineering. You can ingest data with Lakeflow Connect, transform it using simple SQL pipelines with Delta Live tables, and orchestrate every step in your data journey with Databricks Workflows, all on one secure and serverless platform. Are you ready to transform your data engineering? Start today at databricks.com/trial. Thanks for joining me in this data engineering overview.